Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to break above the 20-day MA. We have also continued to hold above a support zone at around the $0.04379 mark, and we have continued pushing even higher, and by first giving you a measure of this bounce after making our low for this second wave, you can see that the market is up by 24.77%, which is a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that I believe is the start of the formation of a higher AD12 count 3 that I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Gala Games chart in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside of being the AD12 structures, where you can see that I have this AD12 structure in blue having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $0.06324 mark, and after seeing the high for that higher AD12 count 5, we completed an even larger AD12 count 1 to the upside, that is of this AD12 structure that I have right here in yellow. And after seeing the formation of a larger AD12 count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger AD12 count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618 as a maximum. And you can see we have been able to retrace into the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.04504 mark and the $0.03936 mark. And after seeing our low for that second wave, we have started this bounce to the upside in what could be the start of the formation of these higher AD12 count 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.11677 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 of that fractal wave fully maximizing our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5. And for that wave 3 to also play out, there are key moves that I'm also expecting here on the Gala Games chart. And the first one is that we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We also need to continue holding above the support zone at around the $0.04381 mark, and once those two moves continue to play out, then I believe Gala Games will have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher, and also give us a break above the wave 1 high, which I can mark over here using this dotted line at around the $0.06278 mark. So the moment we continue pushing even higher, get above the wave 1 high, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing over here is the start of that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, and we can also be able to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that higher AD12 count 3. And also taking a look at the indicators before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 70 mark, meaning we have a bit of room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that higher AD12 count 3, and that could give rise to the first wave of this AD12 structure that I have over here, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that higher AD12 count 3. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the AD12 structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that I have this AD12 structure in red, where you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been keeping signal prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now given us the low for that higher AD12 count 2. And after seeing the low for that higher AD12 count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that higher AD12 count 3, where I have my minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib of 1.618, and that is at around the $1.36017 mark before we can see that wave 4 and then push even higher in the formation of that wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.